friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we're kicking off another video, guys. Another video. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through. Hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, bring it in. Try not to get nothing on my t-shirt, baby. Y'all smell it? It's Gemini season. Yes. In honor of Gemini season, which is my season, my time to shine, we're gonna do some extra videos. So at first I was going to film every day for Gemini season. Then I was like, girl, I'm not gonna put that stress on myself. Baby, I am 25 twice and about to add the 3. I just can't. That's just, yeah. I didn't plan for that. So instead of every day, we're gonna do every other day throughout Gemini season. If you have been under a rock and don't know when Gemini season is, don't worry, I got you. Gemini season is from May 21st to June 21st. So yes, this is non-traditional. But somebody probably done it before, but I haven't seen it, so I wanted to do something different. So yes, we're gonna have a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We're gonna have a little bit of fashion, hauls, trial hauls, me bringing you news you can use, going live, traveling, daily vlogs. If you can think of something that I haven't named that you want to see, put it down in the comments. We're going to be cooking. We're going to be trying new things. I'm super excited, and it's keeping me accountable. So yes, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy my little intro, honey. So I basically wanted today's video just to be like a little introduction of what you have in store, what I'm going to be sharing with you guys for the next couple of weeks. So if that sounds like something you want to see, hit that notification bell now, because so you can be notified when the video drops. And yeah, now that we got that all out of the way, let's get into today's video. Hey y'all know it's the day of Gemini season, and we move. But I wanted to share you guys with the updates that I did with the Cloffice dressing room, boutique, whatever you want to call it. I did get some things to help me get organized. Yeah, I just decluttered. I realized it was fine and it worked when I didn't work from the Cloffice, but now that I work from there, I had to clear it up. It had me all over the place. I was mentally out of there. So we made some changes, and I want to show you guys real quick what we did. Y'all ready? Lego. But before we do that, I want to give a huge thank you to my big sis from Cali, Bridget. Thank you, girl. I got it. But baby, this room, it got lost in the room, honey. It got lost in the room. But once I got it organized, I was able to find my package. Y'all, baby, Bridget sent me over these comfortable dresses, honey. I done already wore her. She's already been worn, child. And she sent these over. Oh my God, thank you so much, Bridget, baby. These are my go-tos. These stay on the main rack. Now that it's organized, this has been organized for almost 2 weeks now. Now that it's been organized, baby, they stay on the main rack. My quick grab and go. I absolutely love them. But let me get these put up, and then we'll get I will get the party started. Okay, first it's kind of bright, so let's get into it and start over here. So y'all, over here is my accessory corner. We got a little jewelry up in here, little Little smell good. Some of them, I got some of them lined right here. Say probably about 65% of my frames up here and here. These are not new. I've been having these. They were in the my studio, bedroom, whatever, living room. They were in there, and I decided, you know what? I want everything that's dealing with clothes inside of here. So we moved this over here. I absolutely love it. I know this is my last minute. This is my on my way out the door. Grab your frames, grab your jewelry, and spray something on so you can smell good, and you're out the door. So yeah, this is my accessory corner. Now, we got all the racks out, except for one. And you probably already seen it if you watched this video. So this, you know, this is pretty much the same. Nothing has changed in there other than we decluttered and took some things out. But you'll see where those are in a minute. This is, see Bridget, I told you, baby, they stay ready so I don't have to get ready, honey. This is my just in rack. Meaning if I'm going to do a try on haul or, is it dark, y'all? I think, let me see. Is it dark? Let me turn on a little light. Yes, this is my just in rack. So if I'm going to do a try on haul or I just bought something, it goes here. That's my deciding factor if I'm going to keep it or if it's going back. So yes, this is a try on rack. The shoes are still here. I have this rack and then the rack next to it, but you can't see it because of the door. Let me just, you see, they're both still there. But this is what's new. I had my son, let me see. I had my son to come over because baby, she tried to put it together, but baby, baby, she is not Bob the Builder at all. Like, I partner with a company called X Global. They sent this over. I absolutely love it. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. No, this video is not sponsored. The one before is, but this video is not sponsored. Y'all see, it is still up. I got all kind of denim on it. All kind of it's full to capacity. Full. Let me let y'all see. It is full. We got denim downstairs, shoes, denims upstairs. It is completely full. It's not leaning. It's not leaning. It's not wobbling. Nothing. I love it. And these two racks right here are just expandable, so you can open them up and make it wider. Yeah, the only reason why I ain't open it up and make it wide because I ain't have enough room. But baby, put one of these down here. You can make this your interchangeable closet. You can have put one in your garage. You can put your winter clothes and your winter and fall clothes, and keep your summer and spring clothes in the house and switch it out. I absolutely love it. Hands down, I would definitely have it linked below in my Amazon store. If you are interested, I think this was $100 and something. Well worth it. Worth every dime, especially if you have an online boutique and you want to keep things organized. This helps with that too. So I definitely highly recommend this. Now, let's keep on going. This over here is another like accessory corner. It's just freshen up, kind of the overhaul, the white side of the the white side of the room. We got my hats up there, just a stand that I got from Target years ago, probably about 5 years ago, a small bookshelf, and I've already had this. If you've been watching me for a while, I've been having this since the beginning of my YouTube career, so about 5 or 6 years, and I tried to free up some room, so I just stuck this shelf on top of that. This has been around since the beginning of my YouTube career. These are my flowers that are now, they're still holding up, y'all, from Mother's Day. Still holding up for Mother's Day. And these are 2 nightstands. I just piled them on top again to free up some room. And then, of course, that's where I work at over here. And I tell you guys all the time, if I haven't told you, let me tell you now. If you a woman of a particular age, you should have one of these in your house. Have one of these in your house. Why are you playing? Have a recliner in your house. Get it? Get it, please. I'll tell anybody. Let me turn this light off. So here's my caps. This is one of my lights, y'all. My very first light. My SM bought me this light before I even started my YouTube channel. She bought this light. She bought that light for me because she said that I needed to be on YouTube. And I'm now here. Thank you, boo, if you're watching. So I keep my caps over here and over here. And, you know, of course, if I get more, we'll keep the party going. But for now, that works. So here is like an overall look of the room. Isn't that paradise? I normally have it up with the water. Just make me feel like I'm out of town. All right, guys. Now that I got that out of the way, I wanted to show you some of the things that I use to help me stay organized. And the first thing are some of the things that I help to keep me organized are these clips. At first I was gonna order like some pant hangers, and I'm like, no, I'm not ordering. Why would, hold on. First I wanted to order some pant hangers, and then I was like, that's gonna be super expensive and kind of dumb because I already got plenty of hangers, and I don't want to buy hangers just for that. So what I did was went on Amazon, found these little clips, and you clip your clothes to the velvet hangers that I have. It works absolutely perfect. Now everything can hang up accordingly. It comes with like I think this was like 70 or 8. I think this was 80 pairs of clips. This is just, I didn't already use some, and then it's a whole nother layer up under the bottom. I will link them below for anybody that is interested inside of my Amazon store. And next, because if I turn this light off, it's kind of bright. I like to work in the I like to work with it a little dim like this, a little moody. God, this ceiling fan ain't doing nothing. I like to do this, make it a little moody, but when I'm here, but for the sake of the video, we need light. So I ordered this right here. These are some smart Wi-Fi plugs. I have 2 of them, and let me show you how they work. They're not, I like these because they're way cheaper than the ones that I got from Amazon that goes with my ring. I have one of those too, but when I seen these, I was like, $9.99 for 2. This works well. You download the app. Hold on. Oh, there it goes. You download this app right here, the Smart Life app, and it's what talks to your lights. So let's see. Let me show you. I have both of them already set up. As soon as you plug them in, you just push the button on the side. It looks for the Wi-Fi, and you just click the one that's yours, put in your password, and boom, it's just that easy. So let me turn off this light so I can show you. Let me make sure my address ain't showing on here. Can you see that? Probably not. It shows the 2 plugs. It's called plug 1 and plug 2. So we're going to, let me turn you guys around so you can see. So if I turn on plug 1. You hit it, and then you just hit on, and boom, that light came on. And then for the next one, so we're going to turn that one off, X out that, and then we're going to go to plug 2. We're going to turn that one on. So yeah, let's turn that off. So there you go, friends. I showed you my whole little new setup. Tell me what you think about it down in the comments. And let me know if you're going to order any of the things that we spoke on in here. And if it's something you've seen that you want to know more about in here, let me know, and I got you. Just put it down in the comments. And if it's something that I didn't link that's in there, just put in the comments link, and I got you. So if you made it to this part of the video, you know what it is. You know I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one, the day after tomorrow. Bye-bye.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by but I'm